In this video, we will learn how to stop Ubuntu from going to sleep. First, open the Activities menu by moving your mouse to the top left corner of your screen. Then type Settings and click on the Settings icon when it appears. Once the Settings window is open, look at the left-hand side and scroll down until you see Power. Click on it. Now you will see a few options related to power saving. Look for the section called Blank Screen. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Choose Never. This will stop your screen from turning off automatically. Next, if you're using a laptop, you will also see options under Suspend and Power button. Find the setting called Automatic Suspend. By default, it may be turned on. Click the switch to turn it off. This makes sure your system will not go to sleep, even when you're not using it. You can now close the Settings window. Your changes will be saved automatically. Your Ubuntu system will stay awake until you decide to shut it down or restart it.